Hello, everybody. Good evening. This is Dr. Rizvi again from Technic Sources. Tomorrow is the expiry for Nifty Midcap 50. And you can see a chart here which displays the chart for Midcap 50. And I have enlarged it. So you can see the support and the resistances here. The index closed at 13,329. So 13,329, if you see here, the support, uh, there are the supports down. And if the index opens above 329, then it might go up to 350. And if it crosses 350, then I'll discuss about the next resistance. But right now, the resistance is uh, 350, 356, 355. So uh, 350 is the 55, 56 is the resistance, and the support is 315. And again, if we see here, the next support is 13,300, 13,294. So 355, 316, or 315. Next, this is the support, 315. 290 is the next support. If it falls down below 290, then you can buy a put for 300, 218, right? And below 218, below 218, it can go up to 166. Okay. Now, the if the market opens above 350, then what about? Let us see 15, a 5-minute chart. So still, we can see the supports and the resistances, right? They will be almost the same, but we are going to see on a higher note. Now, this is for 1 hour. So 1 hour, again, the support is 350, 355, and the next support is at, I'm plotting it here, next resistance, in fact, is at 394, 390. So if the index opens above 350, it closed at 329, then it may go up to 394. So you can buy a call here. Okay. This is for buying. Again, let me stress the targets have to be small, 10 points, because the lot size is big. So we have to go for smaller targets and increase the number of lots. So that would be pretty good. What about the next support, the daily chart? Because this is at the highest. So again, for the daily chart, the support is 390. Above 393, it can go up to, I mean, 400, right? Normally, the support we have is when you go down or go up, supports or resistances. They change every 50, and at 100, it's a little bigger resistance or bigger support. So 13,400, if it crosses, then the next resistance is 13,500, 13,600, like this. Now, if we see the next one, which is the option chain. Let us see the option chain. Where is the option chain? Let me see. Okay, here, option chain for mid cap select option. We can see, first of all, where is the option chain? Let us see the option chain. It's here. So it closed at 329. So on the call side, if you see the price of the call, so 13,350 call is 49.2 rupees. This is the call side. Okay. 13,350 call. And 13,325 is how much? It's 41.8. So it is at the gap of 25, 25. The period is 25. If you further go back, then you can see 33.2, 13,300 put, 275, 26, and so on until you reach 13,150. So what I recommend is if you are on the put side, then you can buy 13,150 put in the morning after 9:30. If the market is opening gap down, right? Gap down, then you can go for 9.751, make a target for 10 points. So 9.75 means if it is almost 10. That means for one lot, 10 multiplied by 50, 500 rupees you're investing, making a target for 10 points. So it is like 5,000. So 500, you get 5,000, 10 times for one lot. If you buy, for example, 10 lots, then you invest 5,000, you get 50,000. Okay. So it's like this. That is on the put side. It will depend upon the market tomorrow. What will be the market tomorrow? Now, if you see live Dow right now, what is the position of the Dow Jones Index right now? The position of Dow Jones Index is positive, right? So there is a possibility that tomorrow the market will be open positive. Okay, okay, market will be open positive, gap up, most probably. This was on the put side. What about the call side? The call side, the prices here 13,475. 13,475 call and 13,150. 150, 475. You can keep in mind. The call side, 475 if the market opens gap up, right? So I've already told you the supports and the resistances. Now, here, if you buy this, what about the OI, the chances that the market is going to up, will go up or down? You can see the OI here is 23,601 lots, and here 11,372. That means the market is expected to go down, not up, because the open OI, open interest is more on the call side, right? And less on the put side, the market is going to go down, most probably. So that we have to see tomorrow, whether the market opens gap up or gap down. But again, the chances of going down is more, probability is more, because we can see the analysis. On the basis of OI, we can say that the market is going to go down tomorrow, most probably. So you can buy a put in the beginning if the market goes gap up, right? Again, you have to see the supports and the resistances, and then you have to decide. Dow Jones, as you can see, it is open plus 137. So it is going to go open gap up most probably. But then after opening, it might go down, right? Because the market is already on the higher side. Tomorrow is the expiry of Nifty Midcap Index. And we also call it Nifty Mid Select. You can see here, Nifty Mid Select. You can go to in.investing.com and you can see here uh, the details. Okay, here mid cap select Nifty. Now, I have discussed about this. Let us see a website which is Money Control. Money Control is the best website everybody recommends. So I also recommend this website. And here, if we watch the news of the markets, then we can see the markets. What about the markets? The shares which are going up and down. So most we have to catch the advance and decline of the shares. Okay, here if you see the advance and the decline of shares, uh, you can see here the advance and the decline of shares. So if we see here, these are the most active shares, right? Most active stocks. So BPCL, let us take BPCL for example here, and BPCL has got a big uh, options. Uh, the size of the lot is very high. And let me tell you how much it is. BPCL is having a very high lot size. So what happens is if you sell a BPCL, I stress on selling, right? Stock options, it's better to sell a call and sell a put in the same amount of money. If you sell one call, it will be the same. If you sell one call and one put in the same amount of money. So if I see BPCL, BPCL, right now the spot price of BPCL is 367. And the movement on Friday was 346 minimum, 370 maximum. So that means a movement of about 24 points is huge in BPCL. Normally it used to move 5 points, 10 points. BPCL is huge. So I went to the mini control site. I saw the most active stock. I went to BPCL. I saw the BPCL. Now BPCL, if I see the chart here for the BPCL, this is the daily chart. We can see this is on the highest side. Highest side. What about the weekly chart? Again, it is on the highest side. The monthly chart. You can see in the month of 3/6/2024, that means on 3rd of June 2024, the stock went up to 300, 690. So this is going to go, I mean, the act as a resistance, which is very, very far. Now, this was an event probably when the market had bearish engulfing, and it crossed so much. But normally, it is not crossing this much. 361, 67.3 is the spot price. Again, if I see the daily chart, it is on a higher side. So that means we have to see how it behaves tomorrow. If it opens down, it means let me uh, draw the line, the trend line here. This will act as a resistance. This will act as the resistance. How much? 367, 368. Okay, if the market opens gap down, then it is going to further go down. Now, how much it is going to go down? This is going to go down until here. This is 351. Okay, 351 is the next support. What about the next one? If it further goes down, then what is the probability of going down and what is the support? 300, 337, 338, right? So 352, around 350, 367. These are the levels for BPCL. BPCL. Now, if we see the BPCL option chain, uh, we have to actually look for BPCL option chain, and that will be from if we buy, for example, if we buy a BPCL 300, and if we, for example, we sell 375 call, 375 call for October, month of October. How much is this? It is 11.95, right? And the lot size is 1800. 1800. So that means 11.95 if you sell, and this will be how much if you sell this? 1,34,395. If you sell this, this will be 11.95, 375. It has not reached 370 yet. So 375 is a safer side, right? So 375 call, you can sell. And what about the lower side? If it goes down and down, if we see 300 and, for example, 35, 335 put, it is 3.15. We can further go for 300, and, but 335 will be safer. I don't go for too much unsafe trading. So 335 put is 3.15. Okay. So 11 point something, 11 and 3, right? 335 put, 375 call. This will be our spread, right? We sell 375 call, we sell 335 put. And how much we need the margin? We need around 375. I'm actually doing this on my Kite app, Zerodha, and 375 call. If I sell this, it will be 11.95, kind of 12, and it requires 1,34,000. So 1,34,000, you can sell a call and sell a put. 335 put, 375 call. And how much you're going to gain? Well, the gain is 1.1800 rupees. Imagine 1,34,000 you're investing. And if you get 2 points in this is 3,600. And if you get 1 point in put, still you can earn a lot, right? So 9:30, again, we have to see how the market is behaving, gap up or gap down, keep track of the levels. After 9:30, sell a call 375, sell a put 335, depending upon where is the market. Take the advantage of time decay, take the advantage of the premium going down, and get 1 or 2 points maximum, get out of the market. Selling, I recommend selling, get 1%, 2% profits, get out. That is risk-free trading. So this is the beauty of selling, right? So I told you selling Bharat Petroleum, BPCL, and buying multiple lots of Midcap Nifty, which is expiring tomorrow. Okay. Now, if you plan to sell, for example, you plan to sell Midcap Nifty, then where you can. The spot price is 329, right? If you sell, for example, a put, although I don't recommend to sell a put, but you can sell a far off put. For example, if you sell 13,200 put, if the market doesn't reach 13,200, then it will become zero tomorrow. Tomorrow. So what will be the gain? 14 points. I say 10 points. 10 point is how much? 10 point is grossly 500 rupees. Okay. Selling it, right? 13,200 put. What about the call? If you sell a call 13,450, which is 13.15. If it becomes 10, say you sell it at 10, 10 points there, 10 point here, you get 20 points. 20 points amounts to 1,000 rupees. Safe trading, enjoy, get off the market. You sell in the morning, say you can sell after 9:30, depending upon where the market is. Enter the market, sell a call, sell a put. So 13,450 call you sell, and on the put side, 13,200 put. So that is the spread of 275 points. Gain and enjoy. But selling, of course, requires a high margin. Okay. I presume that you all know how to sell and how to buy. I presume that you have a demat account. You are already trading in it. If you don't have a demat account, you can comment and I can help you out. I can help you making a demat account for free. There's a scheme in Motilal Oswal, and Motilal Oswal guys are making. I know a guy who is making free account, just needs your two things, three things, in fact: your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your 6 months bank statement. These are the three things needed for making a Motilal Oswal account. I trust Motilal Oswal because it's a very big company, huge company, right? Personally, I prefer using TradeBull's platform. TradeBulls is an old platform I've been using since 2017, and it is quite trusted. It's not a very big company, but it's a trusted company. Okay. So now I have finished. I expect you to like this video, subscribe this video, and enjoy this video. Do safe trading by buying smaller lots tomorrow, exiting after getting 10 to 15 points, selling a far off call and put spread. You should spread it more and more so that you get the profit. Even if you get a lesser profit, no problem. 1 to 2% profit is enough, because 1% profit, I told you, there are 22 trading days in a month, 22% in a month. And if it is only 20%, then 12 twos are 24, 240% in a year. It's huge. The bank is giving only 4% to you. And mind you, the mutual funds are giving you 4%, 40% maximum, 45%, right? But nobody is giving you 200%, right? 200% you are going to get easily by selling, but you require huge margin in selling. Huge margin means to the tune of 1.5 lakhs. Okay. Happy trading. Enjoy your trading. Get profits. Do comment with your screenshots. I will also send you my screenshots in my comments in this video. Thank you. This is Dr. Rizvi buzzing off from Technic Sources. Goodbye. Take care.